The biggest lie many young people hear at 18, 19, and 20 years old is this: go to university, get a degree, and your future is guaranteed. For decades, that sounded true. Study hard, get good grades, graduate, find a safe job, retire someday. That was the plan. But the world has changed. Today, millions of graduates leave university with debt, stress, and no clear direction. Some spend years studying for careers that no longer pay well. Others realize too late that school taught them how to pass tests, but not how money works. Now listen carefully. This does not mean education is useless. Education is powerful. Learning is one of the greatest investments you can ever make. Teachers matter. Books matter. Knowledge matters. But depending only on a diploma to become financially free is risky in today's world. The internet changed everything. A teenager with a laptop can now build a business from a bedroom. A student with a smartphone can reach millions of people online. A young creator can earn more in 1 month than some adults earn in an entire year. We are living in a completely different economy now. The old rules are fading, new opportunities are appearing every day, and the young people who learn these skills early will have a massive advantage in the future. That's why today, we're breaking down 7 powerful side hustles and money skills that students can start learning right now. Some of these require creativity, some require patience, some require discipline, but all of them can change your future. And remember this: you do not need to be rich to start. You do not need perfect grades. You do not need expensive equipment. You only need curiosity, consistency, and the willingness to learn. So let's begin. Side hustle number 1: faceless short-form content. Right now, short-form content is one of the biggest opportunities on the internet. Platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Snapchat Spotlight are fighting for attention. And attention is the new currency. The more people stay on their apps, the more money these companies make from advertising. That means these platforms desperately need creators. And when companies desperately need creators, they pay creators. Some teenagers are now making serious money without ever showing their faces online. Think about that. No movie studio, no office building, no expensive camera crew. Just a phone, creativity, and consistency. Now here's the important part. The people making the most money are not just reposting random clips. They understand psychology. They know how to grab attention in the first 3 seconds. They know how to make viewers curious. They know how to build suspense. That is the real secret. Short-form content is not only about editing, it's about understanding human attention. Why do people stop scrolling? Why do certain videos go viral? Why do some creators grow insanely fast? Because they understand emotion, curiosity, shock, excitement, suspense, reward. The best creators know how to trigger these emotions quickly. And the crazy part? Young people already understand internet culture better than most adults. If you spend time watching shorts or TikTok every day, you are already studying attention, even if you don't realize it. But instead of watching mindlessly, start watching strategically. Ask yourself, why did this video hook me? Why did I keep watching? What made this entertaining? Study successful content. That alone can teach you more than many expensive courses. Now imagine this. 1 successful channel becomes 3 channels. 3 channels become 10. 10 channels become a real business. That is how digital empires are built. And yes, it takes work. But compared to most businesses in history, the startup cost is almost nothing. A phone, internet, free editing apps. That's enough to begin. The biggest advantage you have right now is time. Most adults are too busy, too distracted, or too afraid to learn these new systems. But young people adapt fast. That is your superpower. Side hustle number 2: investing. Most people think investing is only for rich adults in suits. That's completely wrong. Investing is simply using money to make more money. That's it. And the earlier you learn it, the more powerful it becomes. Because investing is not only about money, it's about time. Time is the secret weapon. Let's imagine 2 people. One person starts investing at age 18, the other starts at age 35. Even if the second person invests more money later, the first person often still wins because of compound growth. Compound growth is one of the most important financial concepts in the world. Money grows. Then the growth grows. Then the growth of the growth grows. It snowballs over time. That's why many wealthy people invest consistently for years instead of trying to get rich overnight. Now listen carefully. Investing is not gambling. Real investing is usually boring. It's consistency, patience, discipline. Many beginners lose money because they chase hype, trends, and emotional decisions. But smart investors think long-term. One of the simplest strategies is dollar-cost averaging. That means investing small amounts regularly, whether the market goes up or down. Simple, consistent, powerful. And here's something most schools never teach. You should not choose between building income and investing. You should do both. Build skills, earn money, then invest part of that money for the future. That combination is extremely powerful. Excited. Imagine building a side hustle at 16 and investing part of your profits every month for the next 20 years. That could completely change your life. Financial freedom usually does not happen from one lucky moment. It happens from smart habits repeated over time. Side hustle. Number 3, building online communities. Community is one of the most valuable things on the internet today. People want places where they can learn, connect, play, discuss ideas, and belong. That's why platforms like Discord became so popular. At first, Discord was mainly for gamers. Now businesses, creators, brands, schools, and online communities use it every day. And many adults still don't fully understand how it works. That creates opportunity. Young people who understand online communities can help creators and businesses organize servers, manage members, build engagement, and create systems. Think about it. Every creator wants loyal fans. Every business wants attention. Every community needs organization. That means community builders are valuable. And here's something important. You do not need to know everything at the beginning. You learn by joining communities. Observe what works. Why are some servers active and exciting? Why are others dead and boring? Study leadership. Study engagement. Study communication. These skills are incredibly valuable in business and in life. Because at the end of the day, business is people. The people who understand communication and community building will always have opportunities. Side hustle number 4, online coaching. This industry is exploding right now. Why? Because people are willing to pay for guidance. We live in an information age. There is free information everywhere. But people don't only pay for information anymore. They pay for clarity. They pay for support. They pay for personalized help. That's why online coaching has become massive. Fitness coaching, gaming coaching, language coaching, business coaching, study coaching. Anything that helps people improve can become valuable. Now before you say, "But I'm too young to teach," remember this. You do not need to be the best in the world. You only need to be a few steps ahead of someone else. A 16-year-old who learned video editing can help beginners. A student who mastered studying techniques can help younger students. A teenager good at fitness can help friends improve. Skills become valuable when they solve problems. And online coaching is powerful because it scales. One person, one laptop, clients from anywhere in the world. That would have sounded impossible 20 years ago. Now it's normal. The future belongs to people who can turn knowledge into value. Side hustle number 5, AI content and animation. Artificial intelligence is changing the world faster than most people realize. Some people are scared of it. Others are learning how to use it. The second group will have a huge advantage. AI tools can now help with writing, editing, designing, animating, researching, brainstorming, and much more. But here's the truth. AI is not replacing creativity. It is amplifying creativity. The people who combine human imagination with AI tools can create incredible things faster than ever before. Think about how powerful that is. One teenager with AI tools can now create content that once required entire teams. That's insane. And we are still early. Most businesses and creators are only beginning to understand these tools, which means the opportunity is still huge. Young people who learn AI now will likely have an advantage for the next decade. Not because AI does everything for them, but because they learn how to work with technology instead of fighting against it. Every major technological shift creates winners. The internet created winners. Social media created winners. Smartphones created winners. AI will create winners too. The question is, will you ignore it or learn it early? Side hustle number 6, reselling. Reselling has existed for centuries. Buy low, sell higher. Simple concept. But the internet made it global. Today, people resell sneakers, designer items, collectibles, vintage clothing, electronics, watches, and much more. Why does this work? Because value is often about rarity and demand. Some people are willing to pay huge amounts for limited products, exclusive brands, or hard-to-find items. Smart resellers learn markets, they study trends, they understand pricing, they recognize authenticity, and over time, that knowledge becomes valuable. One important lesson here is this: every industry rewards expertise. The more knowledge you develop, the more valuable you become. A beginner sees a random item. An expert sees opportunity. That applies to almost everything in life. Side hustle number 7, writing online. Writing is one of the highest income skills in the digital world because words influence people. Words sell products. Words build brands. Words grow audiences. Every YouTube script, every advertisement, every website, every viral tweet started with writing. And businesses pay very well for writing that gets results. The challenge is that writing requires focus, real focus, and focus is becoming rare. Most people cannot sit quietly and think deeply anymore. Notifications constantly interrupt them. But great writing comes from clarity and concentration. That's why writing is such a powerful skill. If you become great at communication, you become valuable everywhere. Online business, marketing, content creation, sales, leadership. Communication affects all of it. Now let's end with something important. Do not panic if you don't know your future yet. Reassuring. Most successful people did not have everything figured out at 18. What matters is momentum. Start learning, start building, start experimenting. The earlier you begin, the more time you give yourself to grow. And remember, you do not need to become a millionaire overnight. You simply need to become better every year. One skill can change your future. One opportunity can change your family's future. One decision can completely redirect your life. The world is changing fast. The people who adapt early will win big. So learn skills, build discipline, protect your attention, understand money, create value. Because school may teach you how to pass tests, but the real world rewards people who can solve problems. And the sooner you understand that, the sooner your future changes. Mindset first, skills second, freedom after. Welcome to Mind Economy Academy.